Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Doot. My name is Vinay. Sorry for the long gap. It's been a while since I came to Tech Doot, and so I was just this weekend I was at one of my friend's place and just ran into these earphones at his place. Found out that these are pretty impressive ones. So I thought, why not buy one for myself? So without delaying anywhere, I just ordered one for myself from Amazon, and here it is. As you can see, pretty nice packaging for a earphone in this price. Let me show you what goes here. So as you can see, it retails. The MRP is written as $12.99. But it retails for pretty less, very less than that. I have got it for a pretty impressive price of 499 rupees, and you may get it for less as well if you are lucky enough. Otherwise, I mean 499 or 599 is a price that it normally will retail for. So it's a flat cable, so you don't have to worry about your earphone tangling every now and then. So that's that's a plus point for this one. And it comes with these hooks that, as you can see in the picture, so for I mean it's pretty good for jogging or for people going to gym as well. They can use it there and it will not like fall off from the ears. And I've heard that it comes with a pretty good packaging as well. So let's get started quickly. Here you go. Let me put it to the right hand. So awesome packaging, I must say. My first reaction is very nice. Ant Audio. As you can see, you would never see this kind of packaging in such a price point earphone. It's kind of a metal box, pretty good one. And as you can see, Ant Audio designed in UK. For more information, you could scan that QR code, of course. So let me just open up the box and show you the box contents. Looks pretty impressive until now. Okay, so here we go. We are welcomed with these bunch of stickers, which is quite good. You can have fun with those. Stick it on your laptop or on your desktop maybe, or any other devices which you may have on your smartphone cover, etc. Then we have this welcome card from Ant Audio. As you can see, exclusive reward for the faithful. So you could go onto these links and see what it's all about. Now we have this quick start and warranty card. Have a look around it. And other than that, that's pretty much it about the box contents. Now the main thing, we have the earphones. Let me get this out. Okay, so if you look, it's a gold plated one, 3.5mm headphone jack, and apart from that, you get a few extra ear tips. Based on your size, you could definitely use them. And yeah, we forgot the clip. So here is a hook that I was talking about. Not that stiff, and as I was talking about, tangle free flat cable, and yep, it's 1.2 meters in length, so you won't have much issues with it, with the length part at least. And I must say that it looks pretty sturdy, and for the price point of 500 rupees that I've got it for, it looks pretty impressive. The quality, the manufacturing quality is pretty dope. And yeah, let me show you in a while. I'll also show you how they sound actually. So guys, as you may have seen me enjoying a few songs, so yeah, I did, and I listened to a few songs with beats and without beats as well. So what I found out is, although I'm not that much of an audio junkie, so would not go into details about how the mids were, how the highs were, but as a pretty average user, I could tell you that the bass is very punchy, and what most of us are looking for normally, beats and basses should be very punchy. So that is it. This earphone meets that requirement, and if you compare it with the few of its counterparts which are pretty close in the pricing of 500, so I can tell you it's better than those, like better than boat bass heads 225, and I've also compared it with the MI basic earphones, which is retailing for 400 rupees on both Amazon and Flipkart these days. So these are better than that. Bass is more in these ones, and I've also compared it, although not close to the pricing, but I had these ones. These are JBL C200 SI. So I've compared it with these as well, and it comes pretty close to these. Actually, the bass, you would see it's pretty close, or you would say equally close to the JBL ones. So Ant Audio has done a pretty good job. So I hope you found this video pretty useful and helpful, and I think pretty interesting as well. So please share it with your friends and family, and who could make use of this, and purchase links for buying these headphones are there in the description down below. You can go there and check it out, and please share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.